Fun fact, did you know that followership count number is actually a vanity metric? Like it's superficial. Like it doesn't matter in the grand scheme of things when trying to succeed as a content creator. Now, if you're wondering, where did my mic go? Fun fact, I have recorded this video before, but at the end of it, I realized that my mic wasn't connecting, and I tried and tried for 20 minutes and it was wasting my time. And now I am currently using my phone mic. Thank you, Samsung. So please, if you're going to be hearing any background noise, please forgive me. I just needed to get this video out because it's an important video for this week. So please forgive me. So today's video, I'll be telling you 5 tips for overcoming fear as a new content creator. Number 1, start before you feel ready. There's not going to be any perfect moment. No, oh, after I get this, I'll start. After I'm gonna get this, I'll start. Oh, I'm gonna change my phone to an iPhone, I'm going to start. You're not going to start because you're going to look for every possible reason why you should not start posting content. Yes. Now, as someone that started on a random Wednesday after she just resigned from her job, I can tell you that yes, excuses are our mind's biggest protectors. Randomly, I was like, you know what? I'm not doing anything. And it's an issue that has been troubling me for months now. Let me just put it out there. And it felt good to actually start something that I've been saying that I want to start for months. So start when you're not ready. The moment where you start thinking, oh, I need this to start, I need this to that, just know that that's when you're ready. There's no perfect moment. Number 2, see every post as a practice post. Now, this is what I tell some people that ask me, oh, you started with this content creation, is it not hard? I use every post that I'm posting now as a practice post because the aim is so that when I look back at this post like 3, 4, or 5 years from now, I would cringe. Like I would cringe so bad. That, oh, look at my clothing, is this what I was wearing? Oh, look at my camera with my shady camera with the lighting and everything. Oh, I was such a novice, but it's too cringe. Because, so let me use this instance. When you look at your old photos and you look at your current photo, how badly do you cringe? Yes, you cringe, but that is an evidence of growth. So 3 years from now, 4 years from now, 5 years from now, I want an obvious growth to be showing on my new type of content, on my look, how I handle myself, how I carry myself, how I post my content, how I speak on camera, how I speak to a live audience. So see every post you make now as a practice post because you're actually going to get better. You're not going to become perfect immediately you start. No. So see every post as a practice post. Number 3, focus on who you're helping with your content. Now, I always get excited when I see 1 view, 2 views, 3 views, because I know that my videos are usually 4 to 5 minutes long, sometimes 6 minutes long. For someone to take 6 minutes or 5 minutes of their time to watch your video, just know that yes, you are doing something right. Some people will be like, oh, I'm stuck in 100 view this thing, I'm stuck in 500 views. I know that the aim is to grow, but if you put 100 or 500 people in the room, do you know how much that is? 100 people can't be contained in this my small room. It can't. So know that yes, I am helping someone out there, even if it's 1 person or 2 people with my content. Focus on that 1 person that is watching your video and be like, oh, I want to be like this person. Oh, I want to start like this person. The current situation is actually someone's prayer point. If you did not know that before, know that now. Focus on the help you're rendering, the value you're giving out, rather than every other thing that seems to be in your head or the notion of what a content creator or how a content creator is supposed to be. Number 4, expect to cringe and accept it. Yes, oh, I'm going to start as a content creator. Oh, my family members are going to see me. Oh, I don't want them to laugh at me. Yes, they're going to laugh at you. People that you call your friends are going to laugh at you. Even your genuine friends are going to laugh, but think of it as they egging you on, giving you that motivation to continue. So when it gets to that stage where they start to respect you, I'm like, oh, I didn't know that this small thing you were starting there was going to result into this. Expect that you're going to cringe. Even you yourself, you're going to laugh at yourself. You're not going to like your voice. You're not going to like your lighting equipment. You're not going to like your camera. You're going to hate your phone the most. In fact, you would go to Jumia or go to any online shopping app and be checking for cameras because the only thing you can do is online shop at that moment. But you're going to get there. Accept that yes, this is going to make me cringe, but I'm getting somewhere. There's an end goal. There's something I want to achieve. So this is just part of the journey. This is just part of the process. Sorry if I'm sounding all motivational-ish, but that's how today's video is for me. Now, the last and final tip for overcoming fear as a new content creator. Remember how I started this video saying that followership count is actually a vanity metric. Now, when it comes for content marketers, especially social media marketers, experienced social media marketers will tell you that what they actually look at is not really followership counts. Followership counts, yeah, you can have 100,000 followers and still have 2 likes and 10 likes. What's the use of a large audience if you're not getting the amount of engagement that you need? So the final tip for overcoming fear as a new content creator: focus on getting better rather than followership counts. Focus on getting better at your video editing. Focus on getting better at your lighting technique. Focus on getting better at your speaking, how you speak to your audience. Focus on getting better at your script writing. The way I'm speaking now is not the way I was speaking 2 years ago, a year ago. The way I'm making sure that my videos is all lit up is not the way I was putting it there. The way I'm editing my videos now is not the way I was editing back then. So I know that yes, there's an obvious growth in my craft. So focus on that rather than followership counts. Focus on your impressions, focus on your views, focus on your engagement. How many people looked at my content, and how many people is it reaching? Did it reach non-followers more than followers? See, I'm adding small social media marketing tip there. But yeah, these are things that you should focus on rather than followership counts. I know some people buy followers, but it's not advice. Don't ever buy followers, because apart from the fact that you might get calls and it might ban your account, what's the need of having a large audience on your followership and you're having less engagement? It doesn't make sense. But anyway, I hope this video has been engaging, educative, and informative as always. So I hope there's not too much background noise. My mic for no reason just stopped connecting. Put off my phone, put it on, it's not connected, but the show must go on. So I'm using my phone's direct mic for this video, and I hope that you guys enjoy it, because yeah, like I said, the show must go on. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope that it's going to be as engaging, informative, and educative as this one. Oh yeah, and a round of applause for I just needed to put that out there. Bye guys.